name's Keith Roselle. I want to explain this this rattling noise in my truck. This is a 2010 King Ranch Ford Expedition with a 5.4. See that idle tensioner right there? That pulley tensioner right there? It has 3 bolts. That's the nature of the noise. And when I get the new one put in, I'll post it and you'll be able to see the difference. Again, my truck is a 2010 Ford Expedition King Ranch EL. And you can kind of hear that noise.